And welcome back to Python Programming. Lesson 1, Print Statements and Variables. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button for more quality Python. Now, let's start. But before we start writing our first line of code, make sure you have a great Python platform to write your code on. REPL.it is a great website where you can write your code, or you can download IDLE on your Mac or Windows. Well, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's type our first line of code. In your editor window, write the print statement. Write the words print, and in parentheses, write hello world. You might be wondering, what is the word print? The word print is a Python instruction that tells the computer to display something on the screen, such as the words hello world in this instance. Well, let's run our code. As you can see, the print statement told the computer to print the words hello world, and the computer did so, following your code's instructions. We can also use print hello world for input statements. Write this line of code here. Write an input statement. What's your name? Which is going to be our question. And next write print person. Now the middle line asks for your name and then stores it in a variable. The last line uses your name to print a new greeting. You can change it to a different greeting if you prefer. Be as polite as you like. When we run our code, it prints hello world and asks your name. You can enter your own name, but I'm going to enter my name, Ayan. As you can see, the computer used my input statement and took my name and put it in a sentence. Hello, Ayan. Now let's move on to some variables. You can create a variable, any word. I'm going to say age. You can write your own age. I'm just going to write 13. We created a variable called age and we assigned a value to it. You can use your own age if you like. Now let's run our code. Not yet. Now we print our variable, which is called age. When we run it, it prints 13. We can also use variables for math. The plus sign is a sign for addition. The minus sign is a sign for subtraction. The apostrophe, this sign is a sign for multiplying. And dividing, we're going to have a fraction slash to divide. Using this, we can create a variable called x equals 6 and print y. And we can make another variable called y and make it equal to x times 7. We don't have to write out 6 because our variable called x already stores that information. If we print our y, we can run our code. 42. As you can see, x equals 6, so 6 times 7 is 42. And our computer read our program and printed it correctly. You can also change your value of x. Let's say x is 10. We write that on a code. X equals 10, y equals x times 7. Now if we print y, as you can see, it prints 70. X is 10. 10 times 7 is 70. We changed the value of a variable and the results were the same. Your value of y also needs to be updated after your x is changed. So don't make sure to rewrite that y in your code. Well, that should be it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more quality Python programming. I'll be uploading lessons every single day. Okay. We'll have live lessons on Saturday, So you guys can pop your questions in the comments, and I'll make sure to help you guys immediately. Well, thanks for watching. We hope to see you guys soon. Bye.